Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using the powder system. So here are the powders that I will be using today. These are from the brand Revel nail, and here are the shades. So we have Opulent and Vouge, and here are the close-up look of the powders. So I'm also going to use the Revel Nail Pro Base as well as their activator, and for my top coat I will be using my Miss Nails No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying my Model 1's nail dehydrator to all of my nails. Then once it's all dry, I will be using my Pro Base and apply a thin layer of this to my nails and immediately dip my nails into the powder and top off the excess. So for my middle, pinky, and thumb, I will be using the shade Vouge. So I'll let you guys watch me do 3 coats of this powder and I will be back. So then once I'm finished with the third coat, I brush off all the excess powder and move on to the shade Opulent, and I will be applying this on my pointy and ring finger. So again, I apply a thin layer of the Pro Base and dip my nails into the powder and top off the excess. So I will be applying 2 layers of these shades on my nails. So with the second coat, I just lay my nails on top of the powder. With this technique, you will get a lot of chunky glitters on your nails. So then once I'm finished with the second coat, I brush up all the excess powder and then move on to my clear powder. So again, I apply a thin layer of the base and then immediately dip my nails into the clear powder. So what it does is it will protect your colors and your glitters from filing and buffing. So I highly recommend you clear encapsulate, especially when you are using chunky glitters. So then once all my nails are done, I brush off all the excess powder and move on to the activator. So I apply a generous amount of the activator to all of my nails, and what it does is it will harden the powder and make it ready for filing. So after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera, and then I brush off all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray. So next, I move on to my Miss Nails No Wipe Top Coat, and I apply 2 layers of this on my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. So once my nails are cured, I apply a cuticle oil to rehydrate my nails. And we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you on my next one.